Hello, welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Walton Burns, and I'm going to be talking about drama and natural speaking skills. I think it's a great, important thing to learn about pragmatics, which is a sort of secret language of social communication that our textbook materials very often neglect. So when students focus on speaking skills, they often think about correct grammar or vocabulary and pronunciation at a syllable level or a word level, but they don't think about social conventions like when is it appropriate to be polite and when is it appropriate to be more direct, when is it appropriate to use humor and when is it inappropriate, how do fluent, proficient speakers of English perform social functions like apologizing effectively or disagreeing with someone more powerful than them in an effective but not a rude way. And drama is a wonderful tool for learning these kinds of pragmatics skills and rules because this is what plays are made of, characters carrying out these kinds of conventions while trying to overcome obstacles. So we'll be discussing how you can use plays in the classroom to teach students these important communication skills and be more effective at speaking in an English-speaking world.